How does an automaker go past titanium without overflowing into platinum? Given that titanium includes a nuclear number of 22 and platinum's is 78, there appear to be various chances to loot the occasional table. To mind, Ford has another form of the edge, which is somewhat more pleasant than the titanium show. It could have settled on the edge zinc, edge germanium, or even the Silicon Valley Tastic edge technetium. Rather, the blue oval ran with edge titanium elite. Passage doesn't right now offer an edge platinum for 2019, the range topping model is the ST, and the titanium sits just underneath it in the model range. The powertrain comprises of a 250 HP turbocharged 2.0-liter 4-chamber driving the front wheels, with all-wheel drive as a choice. While past titanium models offered a discretionary V6, non-ST edges will just offer the 4-chamber starting with the 2019 model year. Tip-top people run bigger with novel 20-inch wheels, what Ford terms a more premium backslide plate, and full body shading sides. 2017 saw Ford's best entire year deals for the Edge, and the organization's exploration demonstrates that more clients are springing for higher spec trim levels. The Titanium Elite, at that point, includes a third alternative between the base titanium and the full pontoon ST Portage presently can't seem to declare evaluating. However, the 2018 Sport, which the ST replaces, begins at $41,670, while the titanium starts at $36,925, and we'd anticipate that Elite valuing will slash nearer to the titaniums than the Sports. You can make certain we'll be inspecting that slide plate for extra premiumosity when the Edge Titanium Elite bows at the Chicago Car Exhibition.